Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way to highlight text within cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this workbook. I have data in column A and I want to highlight specific text that I am going to write, and it will highlight, let's say if I want to highlight 2 in this range. So whenever I use my technique, it will highlight all the occurrence of 2 in this range and make it blue. Okay, so let's learn how you can do it. So I'm going to use the Visual Basic application for this, and for that you will need the developer tab. If you don't have developer tab, check out this tutorial and you will learn how to add developer tab in Excel. Once you have added developer tab, click on the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click insert and then module. Now you will have to write this code. I have already written the code and the code is already linked in the video description. Once I have added the code, and I have already added all the description so you can understand the code, and I'm going to specify a certain thing here in this line, font color index, where I have used 5. That means it will highlight the font in blue. You can use 3 for red, 4 for green, 5 for blue and 6 for yellow. So if you want to know color index number of specific text, you can check out this tutorial here and you will learn which color index number represent which color. Okay, once you have specified your color here by changing this number here, it's done. Now close the VB, and if you want to use this code frequently, you will have to save this workbook in .xlsm format. For that, I'm going to click on File, click on Save As, and I'm going to select desktop and I'm going to write the workbook name, and I'm going to click on this Save As type and I'm going to select Excel macro enable workbook, which is .xlsm format, and I'm going to click Save. Once I have done that, the code will always be in this workbook. So whenever I want to highlight a specific text, I will just run the code and it will work. So our code is ready and we have set the workbook. So let's run the code. For that, I'm going to click on the developer tab and click on macros, and here we have our highlight text code written and highlighted already. If you have multiple VBA code added to your workbook, you will have to select this highlight text and then click on run. Before that, we are going to select where we want to highlight. So I want to highlight within this range, so I have selected it, then click on macro and then select highlight text and then click on run. Now we will find a pop-up. It will ask which text I want to highlight. Let's say I want to highlight the word Excel. Now remember, this text is case sensitive, so here I have write capital E. If I haven't done that, it will not match this Excel word here in this cell. Okay, because it's case sensitive, you will have to write the exact spelling with exact case. Okay, so I have written Excel, EXCEL with the capital E, and then I'm going to click OK, and you can see all the cell that has the word Excel inside it is now highlighted in blue font color. Okay, and this is automatically done. I have just run the code and typed the which word I want to highlight. Let's say I'm going to select this again, click on macros, and then I'm going to click on run, and I'm going to write here 2 with capital T. Okay, now if I click OK, you can see here we have top where the first 2 alphabet is capital T and O. It's highlighted, but here in this cell we have how to, but it didn't highlight this 2 because here the T is not capital, T is in small letter. That's why it didn't highlight it. Like I said, it is case sensitive. Okay, in this way you can highlight specific text within a cell in Microsoft Excel or within a selected range. Let's say I don't want to highlight them in blue, I want to highlight them in red. So for that, I'm going to click on macro, click on edit, and here I have explained it earlier, we have font color index 5. I'm going to remove 5 and write 3. Okay, and close this. Let me save the workbook, and I'm going to select this range, click on macro and click on run, and I'm going to write EXCEL with capital E again and click OK. And you can see this text has been changed to red. Okay, so our color index number 3 is equal to red and 5 is equal to blue. And if you want to learn which color index number represent which color, I have already linked that video in the description. Please check out. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.